I'm Samantha Deitcher for Investmentpitch Media. FSD Pharma, Inc. has appointed David Urban to the company's board of directors. Mr. Urban is an accomplished business and government relations executive, advising companies ranging in size from startups to Fortune 100 on interaction with government. Mr. Urban currently serves as the president of the American Continental Group, a leading bipartisan government affairs and strategic consulting firm, which is consistently ranked as one of the top firms in Washington, as well as a political commentator on CNN. He has achieved success serving as an advisor to campaigns at the highest levels, including the President of the United States Senate, and the United States House of Representatives. Politico named Mr. Urban as one of the 30 most powerful people in President Trump's Washington. David Urban stated, "I'm pleased to be joining the FSD Pharma Board of Directors. As the United States Congress and current administration look at innovative ways to address the national crisis of opioid abuse, dependence, and overdose, I believe it's important to work on a bipartisan basis to expand awareness of research and development of synthetic cannabinoid pharmaceuticals as a viable option to this crisis." Dr. Raza Bokhari, interim CEO and co-chairman of the board, stated, "It is an honor to welcome David Urban to the FSD Pharma Board of Directors. David has been a good friend and a personal advisor to us on policy relating to our industry in Washington, D.C. His experience influencing public policy debates and as a bipartisan government relations leader at the highest level will powerfully amplify FSD Pharma's message regarding the compelling role that synthetic cannabinoids can play in effectively treating neurological disorders and finding a better solution to counter the opioid epidemic." Anthony Durkaz, co-chairman and co-founder, added, "Our vision for FSD Pharma to become a global leader in medicinal cannabis is beginning to solidify. David's legislative acumen will be of vital importance as we embark on a quest to affect the conversation on this very important topic in the U.S. Capitol." Zeeshan Saeed, president and co-founder, commented, "David's joining the board as an independent director is an important milestone for the company, and we welcome his expertise in advancing education and awareness about the potential contribution that cannabinoids can have in addressing the opioid epidemic." FSD Pharma, through its wholly owned subsidiary FV Pharma, is a licensed producer of marijuana under the Access to Cannabis for Medical Purposes regulations and is now operating under the recently enacted Cannabis Act. Its facilities sit on 72 acres of land with 40 acres primed for development and an expansion capability of up to 3.9 million square feet. The former craft plant is located in Cobourg, Ontario, approximately an hour's drive from Toronto. FV Pharma management's mission is to transform the facility into the largest hydroponic indoor cannabis facility in the world. The company's Phase 1 growth plan involves the development of 25,000 square feet of indoor grow space and an additional 220,000 square feet, which, pending approval by Health Canada, is expected to be operational in the first quarter of 2019. The company is developing the highest quality indoor-grown pharmaceutical-grade cannabis and researching and developing novel cannabinoid-based treatments for several nervous system disorders, including chronic pain, fibromyalgia, and irritable bowel syndrome. The shares began trading on the CSE on May 29th and are currently trading at 42 cents. For more information, please visit the company's website, fsdpharma.com, or contact Zeeshan Saeed, president and founder, at 416-854-8884, or email Zeeshan at fsdpharma.com. For investor relations, email ir@fsdpharma.com. I'm Samantha Deitcher for Investmentpitch Media.